In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from one GoDaddy account to another. This is the built-in account change process inside GoDaddy, perfect when you're moving a domain to a colleague, a client, or another one of your own accounts. Before you start, have the recipient's GoDaddy login email and their customer number ready. You'll type both exactly as they appear on their account. On your side, sign into your GoDaddy account and head to your profile menu in the top right. Open My Products to see everything you own. In the Domain section, choose Manage All to open the domain portfolio. From the left navigation, open Transfers, then pick Transfer Between Accounts. GoDaddy will prompt you for the recipient's email address and customer number. Enter them carefully because this is what ties the transfer to the right destination. Next, you'll choose whether to copy the current domain contact information to the new account. If the domain is staying under the same organization, copying the contacts can speed things up. If ownership is changing, let the recipient provide their own contacts during acceptance. When everything looks good, send the transfer request. If GoDaddy asks you to verify your identity, complete that security check so the request can go out. Now switch to the recipient's perspective. They'll receive an email letting them know a domain is waiting to be accepted. If they don't see it, it's worth checking spam or promotions folders. They should sign into their GoDaddy account and open the transfers page. In there, go to the Transfers in tab to see the pending request. Choose Accept Transfer and follow the prompts. GoDaddy may ask them to confirm or update contact details and agree to the terms. Just review each screen and continue. Once accepted, GoDaddy completes the move inside their system, usually within moments. DNS settings and website uptime typically remain unchanged during an account-to-account move, but it's always a good idea to spot check that the domain still resolves as expected after acceptance. You'll both get confirmation when the transfer finishes, and the domain will appear under the recipient's products. That's it. Sign in, send the request with the correct email and customer number, then accept it from the Transfers in tab. Follow the on-screen prompts, and your GoDaddy domain will be safely moved to the new account.